Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're back in the kitchen and we're gonna make a squash casserole. You can make it where it's keto friendly or you can make it where it's not keto friendly. So I'm gonna turn y'all down and we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna add a little butter to my pan because I like butter. Don't blame the butter for what the bread done to you. Y'all heard that saying? I don't have any fresh onions, so we're just gonna do this little onion and pepper mix. But you can do the fresh onions if you want to. The recipe didn't call for peppers. Didn't call for the butter either, but I like butter. And I like bell peppers. So, we're gonna do 1 pound of squash. Okay. I'm not judging, I'm not weighing. I'm just gonna cut up enough to fill my pan. It worked last time, and it was good. We're gonna let that cook down, and while that's cooking down, we're going to, I did put in some salt and pepper. I use pink Himalayan salt. It's better for you than the white table bleach salt. Just my personal preference. We're going to grate some cheese. Now, I like the block cheese, and I'm going to tell you why. This cheese, let's see, it's got a bunch of additives in it. It's got potato starch in it, number one, and they put a lot of preservatives in stuff to keep it from ruining, and potato starch keeps it from sticking together. But I do low carb, I do zero sugar and low carb, so I don't want that potato starch on my food because it is a starch and it's not good for you. So it's got potato starch in it, and it's also got a mold inhibitor. Not sure what all that is. It's got enzymes in it. It's got all kind of additive stuff. It don't melt, so I didn't buy this. Just a disclaimer there. I like this cheese. And you'll notice when you grate your own cheese, it melts and it sticks together a little bit. It's fluffier, it's lighter, and it tastes better. So I just challenge you to take a taste test and see the difference. See the difference. Let me get a little mat here, and we're gonna grate on the big side. I do have a little food processor, but by the time I take it apart and have to wash all those pieces, I can have this grated and be done. Now what we're gonna do, so we have 2 eggs, put that in the trash. I brought my trash can near me so I can chunk it. So it calls for 2 eggs, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and whatever kind of mayonnaise y'all like. It's only Hillman's for me. It's going to be 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is the bottom of the jug here. Mayonnaise has gotten so expensive, we're not going to waste any of it. We're going to get the good old faithful spatula and get all that mayonnaise that's stuck to the sides and the bottom that you can't reach. So we have 2 eggs and 1 cup of mayonnaise. Stir this up together. Oh, this is gonna be yummy. Okay, so now it's creamy. And we have 2 cups of grated cheese, cheddar cheese. I usually just get the mild. You can get the sharp, or the mild, whatever kind of flavor you like. I'm not going to beat it as much. I'm just making sure it's stirred up real good. And that's going to be our middle, our filler. Okay. We have our squash cooked down. this thing. I'm trying not to get all the juice in there. This is not a whole lot, but we don't want it in there. Now we've got our, let me just clean my fork off in there so we don't lose any good stuff. This is our 2 eggs, our cup of mayonnaise, and our 2 cups of cheese. Now I'm going to kind of mix this up a little bit. And I don't want my squash just squished, mashed. So we're just going to kind of move it around a little bit. Let all that good yummy stuff get down in there. Okay, so now it's going to go in the oven at 350. We're going to set a timer for 35 minutes. Okay, so that's going to cook for 35 minutes, and then I'll be back. Y'all hear the buzzer? It's time to get our squash casserole out. Oh. Ain't that pretty? Y'all hear it sizzling? Oh, it's gonna be good, y'all. Okay. So, the recipe calls for Riz Crackers. Crumbled up, so you just mash them together, open it, and sprinkle on top. You put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. It's good. Makes it crunchy on top. I'm doing keto, so I'm not gonna do that. You can take, if you wanted it to be keto, you could take the pork rinds, pig skins, and crunch them up on there, do the same thing. I'm not gonna do either. It's good just like it is. So, y'all see the smoke? Can y'all see the smoke? It's hot. So, taste test. It's gonna be hot. It's yummy. It is so yummy. And with the Riz Crackers on top, makes it even better. But we're not doing that part. So good. So good, so good, so good. So let's see. See where I took it out? It's yummy. I hope y'all try it. I'll put the recipe down in the description of the video so y'all can try it. Let me know how you like it. I will see y'all next time in the next video. Thank y'all for watching, and remember, I love you all. Get to craft and make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and make something yummy. So I will see y'all next time. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.